installation, you'll need a 10mm wrench and a trim puller tool. The turn signals are located in the rear light assembly. We'll begin by opening the trunk. There is one clip to remove. Use your trim puller tool to pry out the middle and then pop it out. Peel the trunk liner back to access the back of the assembly. There are two 10mm bolts to remove. Once removed, push the outside of the assembly towards the back of the car to free the rest of the clips. We highlight here the clips and where they attach to the car. The bottom socket is the turn signal light. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. The triangle socket will only fit one way. Line up the socket with the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the assembly by lining up the bolts with the holes. Push the assembly forward to lock in the clips. Replace and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Tuck the trunk liner back under the weather strip. Push in the clip and then push in the middle to lock it. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Remove the clip and peel back the trunk liner. Remove the 10mm bolts. Push the assembly towards the back to release the clips. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED, and test it. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up the assembly and push it forward to lock it in. Replace and tighten the two 10mm bolts. Tuck the liner in and replace the clip. These new LED turn signals are much brighter than the OEMs, and these bulbs are canvas, with no error codes, flickering, or hyperflashing.